Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll explain what affiliate marketing is and how it works. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought about by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. So, let's say I run an online clothing store and I want to increase my sales. I can join an affiliate program and work with other websites and influencers to promote my products. Exactly. As an affiliate, I can use my own website, social media, or email list to promote your products. And for every sale that I bring in, I earn a commission. Affiliate marketing can be a win-win for both the business and the affiliate. The business gets more sales and the affiliate earns money.